So I was playing against Balling is my hobby. His name is Scared KHM, Scared 909, right? I'm not saying he was IP flooding or whatever, but I got lagged out and then it knocked me all the way offline. And I still can't get on. It's been like 5 minutes now, I'd say. About 5 minutes. Look. And everything is fine. My internet's fine because I'm on my computer. I'm on YouTube watching videos, and live is the only thing not letting me get online right now. I can't connect to live. Maybe it'll work this time. Hopefully. Yeah, see, look. What's his name?